Is this a Range Rover, I'm guessing?
Yeah.
All right. Still learning vehicles. Nice. Oh, your amps in the back behind it. Okay.
Yeah, so I'm still running the stock unit in here. So.
Okay, so stock head unit receiver on Skar 2K?
Yeah, Skar 2K, and then I got a 1000 highs.
Okay. Yeah, 1 ohm. What do you wire? 1 ohm or? Okay. What sub was that? Skar ZVX or the XV?
That's the EVL.
EVL. All right. EVL 18. All right. What is it tuned to?
34.
34. All right. Punchy.
Yeah.
Like you can tell it's punchy. So it's tuned a little higher. Have you muted it just for fun or?
Nah, I ain't even played with it.
Just having fun? Just your daily driver?
Yeah, that and I'm running a audio control LC2i.
Okay, yeah.
And that's part of why it's so fun.
Got it. All right. Yeah, it sounds good, dude. It's clean. Yeah, for sure.
Slapping rookies tap. It's DJ Rusticles.
Appreciate it. Nothing wrong with just a little bit of you know, bass in there. It doesn't have to be extremely loud.
Yes, I had a Dodge Dakota with a blow through. And
Really?
I was doing like a 151 with it.
Oh wow,
I
okay.
had to get something more practical for the family.
That's right. There you go. Yeah, I understand. All right, thanks, man. What was your name?
Yeah, brother. Kevin.
Kevin.
Feet.
Jacob. Nice to meet you, man. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.